Here is the first question, AIMT 2015 ka. What is the mass of the precipitated form when 50 ml of 16.9% solution of AgNO3 is mixed with 50 ml of 5.8% NaCl solution? So first we have to write the equation. AgNO3 is mixed with NaCl and we got AgCl precipitate. So here we need to find out the mass of this AgCl. 16.9% AgNO3 is given, that means 16.9 gram is present in 100 ml solution, but the volume is given 50 ml. So in 50 ml solution, the mass will be 16.9 by 2, and that will equals to 8.45 gram. And next, 5.8% NaCl, that means 5.8 gram is present in 100 ml solution, but the question is about 50 ml. So in 50 ml solution, there will be 5.8 by 2, and it will be 2.9 mole of AgNO3 in this reaction will be 8.45 by its molar mass, and it will be 169. So it will become 0.05 mole. And for NaCl, 2.9 by the molar mass of NaCl is 58.5, and it will be, let me calculate, and it will be 0.049 mole of AgCl will be 0.05. the mole of AgCl will be 0.05, but here we need to find the mass. So mass of AgCl will be 0.05 into the molar mass of AgCl is 143.57 gram. Suppose the elements X and Y combine to form two compounds XY2 and X3Y2 when 0.2 moles of XY2 weighs 10 gram and 0.05 moles of X3Y2 weighs 9 gram. The atomic weights of X and Y are: mole of XY2 equals to 0.2 and moles of X3Y2 is 0.05, and that is equal to weight is given 10 gram by X plus twice Y, and it is given 9 gram by 3x plus 2y. So it will come x plus 2y equals to 10 by 0.2, x plus 2y equals to 50. Equation number 1 will come 3x plus 2y equals to 180. Equation number 2. इसमें जब 27 multiply करो तो yeah. So by solving to both equation, 2 minus 1 twice x equals to 130. So x equals to 65. If x equal to 65, put a value of x here. X equal to 65, so 3 into 65 plus twice y equals to 180, twice y equals to 180 minus negative my answer. Suppose the elements x and y combine to form two compounds XY2 and X3Y2 when 0.2 mole of XY2 weighs 10 gram and 0.05 moles of X3Y2 weighs 9 gram. The atomic weight of X and Y are 0.2, 10. I think question में कुछ गड़बड़ है. Let me take the question. Question is, suppose the elements X and Y combine to form two compounds XY2 and X3Y2 when 0.1 mole, but here it is 0.2 mole. So here is a question mistake. So by this procedure you can solve, and the answer will come x equal to 30, so x equal to 40 and y equal to 30. So answer will be Option number 1. Next question is, a mixture of 2.3 gram formic acid and 4.5 gram oxalic acid is treated with concentrated H2SO4. The evolved gaseous mixture is passed through KOH pellets. Weight in gram of the remaining product at STP will be. Formic acid SCOOH is treated with concentrated H2SO4. It will give CO. Next, oxalic acid means COO, H ka whole twice. This gives CO plus CO2. The evolved gas mixture is passed through KOH plate. तो ये CO2 उसमें एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगा. ये हम लोग बायोलॉजी में पढ़ते हैं. KOH CO2 को एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है. So weight in gram of the flowing product at STP will be moles of formic acid equals to 2.3 gram. 2.3 gram by formic acid is SCOOH. So C means 12 plus 32 plus 2, 14, 6, 46. It will come 0.05 moles of oxalic acid equals 4.5 45 into 2 equals to 90. It will comes 21 by 20, again 0.05. So total mole of CO (0.05 plus 0.05) 0.1. वेट पूछा है ना, तो मास पूछा है, तो मास विल बी 0.1 into 12 plus 16, 18, 1.8. Oh, sorry, 28, 2.8 gram. So correct option will be 1. In which case is the number of molecules of water is maximum? First, 0.00224 at STP and TP condition. Okay, it is 22.4, and it will come 1, 2, 3, 4. 14 to minus 4 mole. Second, 0.18 gram of water. 0.18 by 18. It will come 10 to minus 2 mole. Third, 18 milliliter of water means 18 gram by 18, 1 mole. Fourth, 10 to minus 3 mole. So maximum पूछा है, maximum will be option number 3. The number of moles of hydrogen molecules required to produce 20 moles of ammonia through Haber's process. Haber's process क्या है? N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. इसको बोलते हैं Haber's process. तो क्वेश्चन है, the number of moles of hydrogen molecules required to produce 20 moles of ammonia. 20 moles of ammonia, hydrogen moles का मतलब ये लो, ये N कर लो, ये 2, ये 3. So N equals to 20 into 3 by 2, 10, 30. 30 will be cancel. Third number option. Which of the following has maximum number of atom? Okay, first one is 1 gram of Mg means 24. Second one is 1 by 32 into 2 means 1 by 16. Third one is 1 by 7. Fourth one is 1 by 108. So maximum number will be this one, 1 gram of lithium. What mass of 95% pure CaCO3 will be required to neutralize 50 ml of 0.5 mHCl solution according to the following reaction? Reaction क्या है? CaCO3 plus 2HCl gives CaCl2 plus CO2 plus H2O. So here moles of HCl equals to molarity into volume, and it will be equals to 0.5 into 50, 2.5. by 1000, 0.025 CaCO3 required equals to 0.025 by 2, क्योंकि इसमें 2 मोल्स है, 2 मोल्स के लिए एक ही मोल्स होगा ये, तो 0.025 by 2, so it will comes 0.0125. Pure mass of CaCO3 will be 0.0125 and the molecular weight of CaCO3 is given, not given now, 40 plus 12 plus 48, 100 into 100, so it will become 1.25 gram. It is the pure mass. Now we know from other percentage purity equals to pure mass by given mass into 100. Percentage purity is 95, pure mass is 1.25, given mass we need to find into 100, so x equals to 125 by 95, and the answer will come 1.32 gram. The right options for a mass of CO2 produced by heating of 20 gram of 20% pure limestone. Reaction CaCO3 CaO plus CO2. CO2 produced by heating 20 gram of 20% pure limestone. From our percentage purity is equals to pure mass by given mass. Percentage purity is 20. Pure mass, we need to find pure mass by given mass is 20 gram into 100. 0, 0, to x equals to 4 gram. It is the pure mass of CaCO3. And the question is about reduction of mass for the mass of CO2 produced. CO2 का mass अगर एरो किया जाए तो 100 ग्राम, जैसे कि इसका 1 मोल इक्वल्स इसका भी 1 मोल ही होगा, तो 100 ग्राम ऑफ CaCO3 produced 44 gram of CO2. So 4 gram of CaCO3 will produce 44 by 100 into 4, and it will become 1.76 gram. A compound X contains 32% of A. A compound X contains A is equal to 32%, B is equal to 20%, and C equals to 48%. अगर इसका मोल्स देखा जाए तो 32 का गिवन मास ऑफ A is 64, इसका मोल्स 20 अपॉन बाई 40, इसका 48 डिवाइडेड बाई 32, इसका आ रहा है 1/2, इसका आ रहा है 1/2, इसका भी आ रहा है 16, 2 16 से गया 3/2, 2 से डिवाइड किया जाए तो सिंपल रेशियो आ रहा है इसका 1, इसका 1, इसका 3, तो 1:3, so A, B, C, 3. Third option will be the correct option. The highest number of helium atom present in. So first one is 2.27 liter, 2.24 by 22.4. So approximately it is 0.1 mole. Second number is 4 mole. Third number is 4 U, means 1 atom only. Phone number is 4 gram, means 4/4, 1 mole. So highest number of helium atoms present in 4 mole of correct option will be 4 mole of helium. 1 gram of sodium hydroxide was treated with 25 milliliter of 0.5 m HCl. The mass of sodium hydroxide left unreacted is equal to, okay, इसका रिएक्शन होगा NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O. Given 1 gram 25 milliliter, so N equals to 1/40, इसका N is equal to 25 by 1000 into कितना 0.75, it will be approximately come 0.0187, 0.01, it will come 0.025. So ACl is the limiting reagent here. Unreacted NOx months 0.025 minus 0.018, 15. 0.007 moles remain unreacted. So I have a question: the mass of sodium hydroxide left unreacted is equal to, so the mole is 0.007, but mass will be 0.007 into 40, 28, so 0.28 will be the right answer. ग्राम, अगर मिलीग्राम में लिया जाए तो 0.28 इंटू 1000 तो 280 ग्राम. सो आसपास का जो वैल्यू है वही होगा आंसर, 250 ग्राम विल बी द राइट आंसर. ठीक, हमने सर 0.018 लिया था, इसका आंसर और आ रहा था मतलब, तो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी 250 मिलीग्राम.